Hi there, boys and girls. Today another tutorial, and today we are going to do the yaw track or inverted yaw look back. So it's we did the inverted yaw spin last time, and the inverted yaw track, they call it, it's yaw track. It's like you follow something inverted, so you go poof and you follow the thing. So it's a 180 inverted yaw spin, and your camera is following the object. So that's what we're going to do. So let's see what happens. Alright, boys and girls, the inverted yaw track. Which means this is a normal look back following tracky thing, following the object, and then we're going to do that inverted. So it looks like this. Let's do it again. So it's essentially a 180 inverted yaw spin, and your camera is following the whatever thing this to tree. So you approach the thing, and before you are next to it, you invert, and then you do your half yaw spin. You need a little momentum, so you need a little bit forward momentum. You need a little bit of speed. Alright, thank you guys.